Hello everyone, I am Akib Hasan from Bangladesh and I am going to start my Masters in Ecology program in the campus of AMOS under the supervision of Professor Mikhail and Professor Jiam and Professor Liambio. Now, let's talk about my thesis. You could have a question that how could an event occurred 10 to 15,000 years ago has anything to do with the present ecosystem? Let me explain. During the last ice age, an ancient riverbed from below the glacier, which is now called esker. Now these esker provide crucial resources in all northern countries and are considered one of the most important ecosystem economically and ecologically. In MRC ABTB, eskers provide drinking water and important sites for outdoor activities. However, this ecosystem is particularly vulnerable to human pressure such as mining and logging practices. There is a huge knowledge gap about the biodiversity and functioning of eskers. This project aims to study waterbirds and their invertebrate resources, as they are both excellent biological indicators to evaluate the health of aquatic ecosystems because of their sensitivity to disturbance. Benthic macro-invertebrates communities will be characterized as they represent important feeding resources for waterbirds and are important ecological indicator of the lake health. The experimental design includes 50 lakes over the territory of MRC ABTB, including lakes situated on eskers and more typical boreal lakes situated on the clay belt. The observational points and flash count method will be applied to identify the birds communities, and stable isotope analysis will permit to characterize the aquatic food web structure and links to the waterbird community. This project will permit to characterize for the first time the unique biodiversity associated to esker lakes and evaluate the state of health of those ecosystems. Thank you everyone.
Perfect, great timing. Does anybody have any questions? You may use the chat or you may pose the question directly. Can you please speak, Hasan, just to make sure, Akib, just to make sure that we can hear you?
Hello, now the sound is okay?
Yeah. We can hear you, yes, but not very loud.
Okay. Now?
That is better. Maybe it would be better if you speak close to the microphone as well and raise your voice a little bit. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Indeed, I have a question. I was wondering, because you present the esker lakes, but are all the lakes in the IBTB coming from esker? Is it what proportion of lake are shaped by esker?
I don't have the exact proportion, but there is a big eskers in Abitibi, and the esker lakes are associated with that eskers. But actually, I'm in currently Bangladesh and currently developing the problem statement and the proposal. So I don't know exactly about the ecosystem, but I'm trying my best. No.